Since I was 3 feet tall, you've seen it all. You've seen it all. Watch the man who rode you switch from self-esteem, and in your belly you hold the treasure you have ever seen. Most of them dream, yeah, most of them dream. Yes, I am a pirate, 200 years too late. The cannons don't thunder, there's nothing to plunder. I'm an over 40 victim of fate. Are they too late? Are they too late? And I've done a bit of smuggling, yeah, I run a share of grass. I made enough money to buy my hand, but I pissed it away so fast. Never meant to last, never meant to last. And I have been drunk now for over 2 weeks, passed out and riding, and I sprung a few leaks. But I gotta stop wishing, gotta go fishing down the rock bottom again. Just a few friends, yeah, just a few friends. Good to see some of y'all friends out here this afternoon. Thank y'all for hanging out in the heat with me, everybody.
Good to see you, everybody. Yeah. Oh, send me the sunny seat.
Mother Ocean, well, I have heard you call. I want to sail upon your wall.
I was gonna just try and get it past that. I wanted to tilt this. I don't know how to do it. We know how to tilt it. Oh my lord. But we do. What we were saying.
Mother Ocean, after all the years I found, my occupational hazard be. My occupation's just not around. Feel like I'm drowned. Wanna hit up town.